What up YouTube? We are here with a Samsung D500. So the D500 is this guy here. You might recognize this phone. And this thing I've got plugged in is a Supersam clip. Now I've had this thing knocking around for 10 years. And someone came to me saying, can you help me out? Can you unlock my Samsung D500? And I was like, can I? And I was like, I have one of these things knocking around. So yeah, for my old school sort of phone days, I had one of these little clips knocking around. And simply how you use it is, you have your phone, you plug in the clip, you press the power button, this thing starts flashing, leave it for a while, unclip the cable, and you put in a SIM card, and hopefully it's unlocked. Of truth, I'm putting an O2 SIM card now. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and see exactly if this thing has done its job. And hopefully it doesn't say network lock, because this is a Virgin mobile phone, and it was just saying network lock, and it says network lock. So we're going to go ahead and try this thing again. Hopefully it works. So the light is not flashing now. It is flashing now, okay. And hopefully now it does something to the phone. Maybe it will cause the phone to freeze or something. Try that thing again and see if this finally takes the O2 SIM card.